The New York Knicks. The New York Knicks are a professional basketball team based in New York City. Here's some information about the team. History *, one of the original teams in the Basketball Association of America, NBA, which later merged with the National Basketball League, NBL, to form the National Basketball Association, NBA. The team has a storied history, with 2 NBA championships in 1970 and 1973, and numerous playoffs at Madison Square Garden, located in Midtown Manhattan. Madison Square Garden, often referred to as the Mecca of basketball, is one of the most iconic sports venues in the world and has been the home of the Knicks since the team's inception. Colors and mascot *, the Knicks are blue, orange, and white. They do not have an official mascot, but they are often represented by a character named Knickerbocker, which refers to him for a New Yorker. Division and conference *, the Knicks are members of the Atlantic Division of the Eastern Conference in the NBA. Their division rivals include the Boston Celtics, Brooklyn Nets, Philadelphia 76ers, and players throughout their history, including Hall of Famers such as Walt Frazier, Willis Reed, Patrick Ewing, and Earl Monroe. Other notable players include Carmelo Anthony, King, and Charles Oakley. NBA championships in their history. Their first championship came in 1970 when they defeated the Los Angeles Lakers in a memorable series. Their second championship came in 1973 when they defeated the Lakers again, and they had struggled to find success on the court, with frequent changes in coaching staff and management. However, the continues to rebuild and develop young talent. Hopes of returning to playoff contention. Fan base *, the Knicks have a passionate known as the Knicks faithful. Despite the team's struggles in recent years, Knicks fans remain loyal and dedicated, filling Madison Square Garden for home games and supporting the team through thick and thin. Overall, the New York Knicks are an iconic franchise. With a rich history and passionate fan base, the teams to strive for success and aims to bring another NBA championship to New York City in the future. Find more vlogs at https://www.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day.